Alright, let's do a nice 5-minute workout that you can do before breakfast, after breakfast, lunchtime, anytime, just to get your body moving once you've been sitting down for a while and eating something. So you could do nice and easy, 45 seconds an exercise, 15-second rest between, nice and easy. So we're going to start with some squats. Let's get those legs engaged this morning. I'm doing this around, come up for 11 AM. So don't quite hit this morning things. So I'm just gonna take 5 minutes now on my day, just to work it out. Really a bit of a workout. Keep going, we've got about 5 seconds left, I think it's now. Shake it out. Oh. Right, we're going to do some push-ups now. So, yeah, engage the rest of your push-up upper body now. So, we've got some down exercise. Let's go. This is another fantastic bodyweight exercise you can do. You know, yes, maybe it is just mainly focuses on your chest and triceps, but also, you know, engage your shoulders, engage your core. So it's really one of the best bodyweight exercises you can do. About 5 seconds left, guys. 2, 1. Right. Chest should be feeling nice and open now. Right. We'll do some lunges now. For this. Keep your balance here. And you balance up back. Then switch legs now. It's a fantastic exercise, you know. Another great bodyweight exercise, sorry. Switch the legs out. Like I said, this is a workout you can pretty much do anywhere, anytime. You probably find it's really good to do after you've been sitting down for a while. Right. Shake it out. Do some flat kicks again now. My favourite core workout. As ever. Keep those shoulders off the ground. And really just engage that core. I like to rest my hands on my stomach here, so I can really feel my core's being engaged. You should really feel your abs muscles here. 5 seconds left, I think. About 5 seconds. Right. And as ever, you know what we're finishing with. We're finish with some burpees. Another great all body workout. So there we go. Ready? Ready. Back up. This is just a fantastic all-body workout you can do. Probably one of my favourites. Which is why I tend to finish these videos with it. 5 seconds left, guys. Keep it going. One more. Like that. Holy. If you like this workout, nice and easy, drop a like and a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.